All right, what's poppin', y'all? So I got a truck bed of chicken litter right here, and I'm about to use my little truck bed unloader tool here. If y'all missed out the other video where I unloaded a truck bed full of gravel, make sure to check it out up here. But this thing works awesome, and it's a real back saver for sure. Um, no one wants to empty, a truck bed with a shovel. That kills. So let's see how fast this thing will get this thing empty. And if y'all missed out on the video of me talking about this chicken litter, make sure to check out the link up here too, because I'll link to that video. But let's see how fast we can get this thing dumped. It weighs about 2,000, 1,800 pounds, something like that, of chicken litter. All right, so you can see how fast that was. I mean, that took a matter of seconds. What was that? 15 seconds, something like that. So you see I got it all dumped out now, and yeah, that thing's awesome. All it is it's just a metal bar and a tube, and it bolts to the tailgate. It doesn't bolt to it, it straps to it. See the straps? They just go around. Right around there, and then yeah, it's just a fabric, well, plastic, and you throw it in the bed before they load you up, and then it's got a handle right here that just slips in here to get it unloaded. So you'll never have to shovel a truck bed empty again, because no one wants to do that. So I figured I'll just show y'all this real quick while I'm unloading, stuff in the truck bed, just to show y'all, try to get the information out there so that y'all don't have to break your back, because I wish somebody would have told me about this thing years ago. So I got this thing at Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks. So it's paid for itself, really, because it saved my back, and I've unloaded thousands of pounds of stuff with this thing that I would otherwise not have been able to unload, or wouldn't even have thought of putting in the bed of my truck, because I didn't want to have to shovel it all out. Peace.